Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I am Mukta Nagaraj showing you bottled gourd sagu. In Kannada, this is called Sorekayi. Sorekayi sagu. This is another Karnataka recipe. Let's begin with. In a cooker pan, I am putting in the finely cut bottle gourd. To this, I am going to add in the water, little bit of salt, I can close the lid and for one whistle. By the time the vegetable is ready, I am going to add in the ingredients to grind: fried ram, grated coconut, clove, green chilies, cinnamon, peppercorns, garlic and little coriander. Little bit of water. I'm going to grind this. Now the cooker is cool enough. Now the masala is also ready. Now I am adding the grinded masala. So according to the taste, I am going to add in little more salt. I feel some more water is required. I am going to add in some water. While this is boiling, I am going to make the seasoning for this. In a wok, I'm going to add in little bit of oil, some mustard seeds, few curry leaves, and some lime juice. I'll just simmer this for a couple of minutes and switch it off. Now our sagu is ready to serve. This tastes good with pooris and chapatis. Today I'm having this with pooris. Bottle gourd sagu with pooris. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.